Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create landscape and portrait orientation in one Microsoft Word document. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word application and I'm going to create new document. I'm just going to select blank document right here, and for example I'm going to create portrait orientation for the first page, and for the second page I'm going to make it landscape. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to go to the layout menu and I'm going to insert the page break. We can select the next page. Okay, and for the second page I'm going to make it landscape, so I'm going to go to the orientation and I'm going to select landscape. As you can see guys, that my first page is in portrait and the second page is in landscape. And for the third page, for example, I'm going to make it portrait again, so I'm going to insert the page break again. We can select the next page and I'm going to change it to portrait. Okay, now it's done. This is the final result. Wait, I'm going to zoom out. Okay guys, then that's all the way to create landscape and portrait orientation in one Microsoft Word document. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.